Moving on to other projects, I'm starting to true up my wheels. So I've sandblasted them all and they're relatively good shape. So anyways, what I'm trying to do next is I'm trying to true them up. So I built a jig to do that. Off of eBay, I bought a broken spindle. I believe this was off an MGB, but I think they're pretty much all the same. The key is it's got to have an axle that is in decent enough shape with solid bearings. This one does. And it's basically junk, but I bought it for 20 bucks delivered and it was a great deal. If you can't find a broken one, you can use the one you're planning to use in your car. Bolt it to a bench and then work with it from there. So next, I screwed on a metal piece. This doesn't have to be anything fancy. For me, all this is something for my magnet base to hook onto. So then I've got my dial indicator set up and I'll show you how it works. The wheel's been mounted to the base now, and now I can basically set my indicator. And you can see when I spin that that's gonna go crazy. Now for the most part, I haven't really touched this wheel yet. It has one spot in it that is off, and so I'm gonna work on that. But anyway, this is my technique for doing it.